It's time for an update. Bam! Look at that. Look at them rim dogs. Got some slickies for the back, some skinnies for the front. Boy, she's looking like a race truck now. I like them. I like them. Look at, even got some drop beams for the front, flip kit for the back. Should give me a 4-inch drop. Put it right down on them tires, boy. Be looking sick. Let's check out what I did inside here. Bam! All gone. Everything. Took it out. Don't need it. Get rid of it. Gotta keep the cousin kissing bench seat though. And the camo door panels. Come on. Can't go wrong with camo door panels. So we're making progress. Let's check out under here. Look at there. Some of it's bolted together, ready to go. Some of it's not. Like the intake's not all bolted down yet. I need to put some new gaskets in there. And I want to run my fuel line, which you can see. The return is right there. And I want to run it along here. I'm waiting for my fuel pressure regulator still. Got the alternator, GM1 wire. My beastie tensioner. Got my new master cylinder cap and whatever holder on there. Got all the stuff inside like you seen taken out. Got my wastegate hooked up. Don't think that pipe's gonna work since it's pointing right at my starter. Set it right on fire. That's all bolted down. Oil feed and oil drain are all in. Bam! And I got my buddy finished up my bottom pulley. Now I just need to get the right belt to go on there. It's just a belt I had in the old trucker. I got my fuel systems all. Can't see nothing. But it's all hooked up there to the back of the fuel rail. That's the input. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I was just pumped about the new rims, boy. Ah, looks sick. Yes. It's almost all plumbed. I'm just going to wire that. I'm going to sleeve it. Zip tie it, drill another hole with a grommet, start running that forward, and then I can start wiring up my fuel pump and stuff. I doubt you'll be able to see anything under here, but oh no, you can see it. Got my fuel pump mounted, all ran along. Return line ran. Oh, focus. Yep. Looking good, baby. So, stay tuned. More coming. Wait till we slam this baby on the ground. Not much more to go now. I'm going to set up my coil packs through this hole. And then they're going to feed the plug wires. Since this is such a sweet turbo kit, you can't even get a plug wire on up here. So I have to use the right angle end. But yeah, man, she's coming together. Slowly but surely. Super pumped them rims, oh boy. Look at that. Drag truck. Right on. Carry on. Rally on. Have a good day.